In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the same Telegram account on two devices, step by step, so you can stay logged in and synced across both without any confusion. This is super useful if you want to keep Telegram open on your phone and your computer, or if you want to add a second device and still use the same chats, contacts, and messages in real time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Telegram on your second device. That could be another phone, a tablet, or even your desktop browser using Telegram Web. If you're using a browser, just search for Telegram Web and open the official page. Once Telegram loads, you'll see the option to log in. You can either sign in by QR code or enter your phone number manually. If you choose the QR code method, this is usually the fastest and easiest option. Now, take the phone that is already logged into your Telegram account, open Telegram on that phone, and go to Settings. From there, tap Privacy and Security, then look for Devices. In the Devices section, you'll see the option to add a new device. Select that option, and Telegram will open the QR scanner. Point your phone at the QR code shown on the second device or in Telegram Web. Once the code is scanned, Telegram will verify the login and connect the account. If Telegram asks you to confirm the sign-in, just approve it on your phone. In a few seconds, your Telegram account will be active on both devices at the same time. And the best part is that everything stays synced automatically. Your messages, chats, media, and notifications will update across both devices, so you can switch between them whenever you want. If you prefer, you can also log in by entering your phone number instead of using the QR code. Telegram will send a verification code to your existing device or via SMS, and you can use that to complete the login. But for most people, the QR code method is quicker and more convenient. Once you're signed in, you can start using Telegram normally on both devices. You don't need to keep reconnecting, and you don't need to worry about losing access on your original phone. Telegram is designed to support multiple active sessions, so your account can stay connected on both devices safely. Just remember, if you ever want to review or remove a device later, you can always go back to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Devices, and manage your active sessions from there. That's a great way to keep your account secure and make sure only the devices you trust are signed in. And that's it. Now you know how to use the same Telegram account on two devices. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.